Hello guys, Lukegoldstonofficial here. For one of my birthday things, I got this bag, a little set of Pokemon cards from Sword and Moon Cosmic Eclipse. So let's see what there are. Little kitties, you might want to have your parents' supervision whenever you're doing something like this. Alright. I'm going to get this opened. I want to go in with I don't want, I'm going to have these from behind to know which ones I'm getting. I might have a hard time trying to get this little thing. I'll be back. No, oh wait, hold on. Okay. So we got some stuff like this and a discard pile. Some stuff like this, but that's not our main focus. Oh, we also got this little Kyogre badge, kind of like my Zygarde final form. So our main card here is the legendary Hoenn Pokemon Kyogre. Oh, so that's how it is, Kyogre. It's wrong? Okay. Here's our cards. That's how many we have. Let's see what there are. Okay, Prinpulp. Energy. Ambipom. That's cool. Now I have the whole Apom evolution. Pokemon Communication. How? I think that's how you say his name. One of my friends has How. Another Water Energy. A Piplup. I do have other Piplups, but that one's a different design. Switch. Gosh dang it, I'm gonna get a bunch of these. Pokemon Fan Club. That's a cute little photo. Another Kyogre, but this one's different. Let me just bring these out. This one is like a hollow. I think that's hollow. I forget it. I haven't been collecting cards in a while. Draw Energy. Another one. Awesome, another Apom. But I like this one better. Another Prinpulp, like that. My first Empoleon. Cynthia, the champion of Sinnoh. Psyduck. Lily. I don't know how to pronounce this one. Another Draw Energy. Oh man. Another Piplup. Another How. A roller skater. Okay, that's different. Jesus, how many of those blue energies? Golduck. Tate and Liza. Jeez. Another Ambipom. Phone. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's one of the legendary Sinnohs. Another roller skater. Another blue energy thing. Another one of this. Another Prinpulp. Another Psyduck. Another blue energy. Another Pokemon Communication. Another Empoleon. Another Golduck. Another Apom. That's pretty cool. Another Switch. Another Piplup. They shall be duplicates. Let's go over them. There's blue energy. Oh, Viridian Forest. That's a new one. Another Psyduck. Another Lily. Another Blue Water. Another Cynthia. Another Pokemon Fan Club. Another Blue Water. Another Tate and Liza. Another Apom. And 4 Blue Waters in a row. My gosh, that's so many blue waters. That's more blue water cards than more Fox Blu-ray reprints. Oh. Easily, I think the best card out of all the bunch is Apom. So, yeah, I didn't get some of the cards I was hoping. I was really hoping to get some like Sentred, Furred, Turtwig, Torterra, Pachirisu. Hopefully I could do a trade with someone someday. But that's all for now, guys, and I'll see you guys later.